Guys, so we're back Saturday morning. As y'all seen on my last video, my extended cab is back home, guys. I actually went through it, checking all the fluids, making sure everything's still good. The heater and AC is working on this truck. I still have the issue where I need to change the seal on the valves, so I am gonna have to take the springs off, but I don't want to do that and then just put the factory springs back on. I want to go ahead and do the dual springs. That way we can go ahead and when we do our cam, it'll already have the dual springs. Also, like I said, I'm going to change out this clutch fan. Right now I just have that for right now just to get the truck running. I do need the shroud while I have it with the clutch fan, but like I said, I do have the e-fans. I actually have the e-fans right here, guys, for the truck. I just have to order the harness for it. The harness that I'm getting is pretty expensive because it's not no cheap harness or anything like that. It has all the right connectors, everything that I need to get it hooked up properly and get it tuned right. Because I think you have to switch it on the tune from, you know, the clutch fan to the electric fans. So that's what we have with the extended cab right now. Right now I'll probably go to the store, get some oil, because I do need some oil because of that issue that I have. So it does burn a little more oil than it usually does. But yeah, this is my extended cab. I'm glad it's back. And then also I do need to change the MAF sensor to the newer style. So I need to get a special kind of fitting that goes here, and then that way I can insert my MAF sensor and get rid of this one. I should be able to plug it in directly. I might have to change some pins, so we'll check that out, make sure everything's running right. But yes, guys, right now I'm using this truck. Hopefully we can get everything going and take care of all the issues that I have. So all right, guys, so I just picked up some oil. I just got pretty much some cheap oil right now because it is burning it, so there's no point in getting the high dollar oil. So we're gonna go ahead and put some oil in real quick and then check our level and possibly take it on a cruise, see how it does. It's at the level it needs to be, but I did see that looks like I'm leaking refrigerant from this hose, so which is crazy because this is the piece that I replaced. So I don't know if maybe the line is actually bad, but yeah, I got refrigerant right there. That sucks. So we might have to replace this hose because I know this piece is replaced. So yeah, we'll definitely check that out. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. So hopefully it didn't leak out a lot. Everything's normal. I need to get this truck where it needs to be for sure, guys. I mean, I miss driving my truck. I miss driving my turbo truck, really. Once I get done with this one, then I'll start working on my turbo truck. AC is really, really cold. Shout out to Taro. Still have a check engine light. That, guys, I cannot stand. So yeah, I got a check engine light for the solenoid on the transmission. I want to get the transmission redone just so everything's fresh on this truck. Oh yeah, we're leaking, guys. So it looks like I am going to have to get that line replaced. It seems to be leaking. Hopefully it's not too much, but we'll definitely get it. I just called you and you got everything set up. Can we pull up some more?
No, you're good right there.
Good right there? Alright, cool.
So let's leaking out of heat.
Yeah, you can see the fluid right there. It's like green. And then when it's on, it like bubbles at
but it looks like it's just leaking out of the threads, like on the outside.
Yeah, on the outside.
So it's probably not tight enough.
Think so?
Yeah.
So we still need to recover it, huh? And like
I mean, I can add more.
Oh, but we need to tighten it right now, right?
Yeah, we can just tighten the outer end.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I thought it was leaking from like the valve itself.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's like from the threads. All right, so we're gonna get that taken care of. My boy Darwin already had everything set up already. Man, that's quick, guys. That's quick service right there. I need to wash this thing, man. This thing's dirty.
See, there's the fan strap.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and put the fan strap. My boy Don's gonna let me borrow that one real quick, so that way when I get my E-fans, I'm gonna give it right back to him. It is loose?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
All right.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, try it, and I'm on brake cleaner right now. Yeah, let's see something.
Orderly. All right. So it was just loose, guys. Actually, that was my fault. So I'm the one to tighten it. What's up, man? What's up? Alright, so it seems not to be leaking. It does seem like we lost some. It is cooling still, but not as good it was when we first did it. So it might be a little low. So it was leaking from right here, guys. Right on this seam right here. So we'll tighten it up. Should be good to go now.
I don't see any leak.
Yeah, I think it looks a lot better. Before you would see the green around it.
Yeah, I just tightened it a little bit more.
Yeah, I didn't want to break it or something.
Yeah.
Didn't know how much it needed to be tightened, so I probably didn't tighten it enough.
Yeah. Well, we can turn it off and have it with the shroud and see what it does.
Okay.
What it does. And if it needs more, we'll add more.
Alright, sounds good. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and put the shroud on. The shroud I have is for a 1500, right? And the one you have is for a 2500. Okay, so that's the difference. That's why my shroud couldn't go back in, because since I updated the radiator for the bigger one, mine doesn't fit anymore. So that's why Darwin, we're gonna put this one on. Probably clean it up a little bit, and then
it had been sitting for like 3 years. The truck is still there.
Yeah, that's crazy. So we're gonna clean it up real quick, throw it on, because you also think it'll cool better.
Yeah.
With the shroud, right?
Yeah, I'll pull the heat faster.
Yeah. Okay. Because right now it's going everywhere.
Yeah, she's going everywhere.
All right, cool. So we're gonna get this cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and slap it on. Alright guys, so my boy Darwin's actually on the way to go get the smaller fan that he took the shroud from. So because he took that off of a 2500, he actually has a truck and he's going to take that fan off of, so maybe it'll work on this truck. So this truck came with the smaller radiator. Maybe it needed a bigger fan. Because I upgraded to the bigger radiator, it doesn't need such a big fan anymore. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I think that other truck has a smaller fan. He's on the way to go get that. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put it on. Hopefully it works. It should work. And then we'll go ahead and test it out. He thinks that it's not working. Sometimes this truck gets hot because the air is just going everywhere because it doesn't have a shroud. So we're gonna see how it acts with the shroud on now that I got to actual flow instead of just going everywhere. So we'll check it out, we'll see how it does, and we'll let y'all guys know.
A few moments later.
All right, we just put this fan shroud, and it appears to be hitting still, even with the different fan. So honestly, I thought it was gonna work, but yeah guys, it's still not working. So yeah, it's hitting up on the top. The bottom fits good for some reason. But yeah, this is where the fan technically would be. And yeah, it's still hitting. So damn, that sucks. I don't know, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Let's see if we can make it work somehow. All right, so the old shroud wasn't fitting. We're gonna put my top shroud on and then just bolt it down to the new lower shroud. So that's what we're gonna do for right now until we get the E-fans, huh Darwin?
Yes, sir.
And then Darwin's just making sure that the whole system's filled up because of that small leak we had right there. So yeah, it's almost there, huh?
Yeah. So it should be between 40 and 50, and it's right at 50 right now.
Okay. So we're good?
It should be good.
Okay, cool. Alright, so we didn't lose any Freon, which is good. I was a little worried about that. All right guys, so the AC seems to be working. So I think where the refrigerant was getting out from was making the compressor to turn off. That was one of the issues that I had. The compressor kept turning off, but now I guess since that it's pretty much the system is sealed, so now it's not going to be turning off now. So it's been staying on. I have it on right now, and it hasn't turned off yet. Oh yeah, it's nice and cold in here. So yeah, it hasn't turned off, so that's a good sign that we fixed that issue. And like I said, we're still gonna run home, put the top fan shroud on. Hopefully that helps it too with staying cool. Let's take the temperature on the motor. Oh yeah, it's good. It's still good. So yeah, it's doing good. Maybe that had something to do with it. So I don't know. We'll check it out, but we'll definitely keep an eye out. Big shout out to my boy Darwin. I mean, I called him up. He's like, hey, come bring it by. I got here, he was ready. He was ready to go. So make sure y'all stop, give him a shout. If y'all need any mechanic work, definitely hit him up. But right now we're gonna go home and get that top shroud on and see what it does. Alright, so we made it back home. Here's my fan shroud, my old one. I think this one's longer, we'll see, because this one fit no problem. Want to see if this one works? Put it on the truck. So let's check it out. And I guess it was the bottom piece that was longer. That's crazy. Well, that sucks. I guess we're not meant to have a fan on here. So yeah guys, this is where it's supposed to go, and I still got about 2 inches of a gap right there. I guess I'm not meant to have a shroud on here with the bigger radiator, which it's all right. We'll see what we have to do and get the E-fans on here. We'll order the harness for the E-fans, and the E-fans will be the next thing we do on this truck. That way we don't have to worry about a shroud or the fan hitting something. So we'll do that on the upcoming video for you guys, show y'all what harness we get. Well, that's gonna be it guys. So I'm glad we at least got to figure out one issue with the truck, which is the AC. The AC's not cutting off anymore. It seems to be blowing pretty cold. I actually had to turn it down on my way over here because it was really cold. At least we got one thing taken care of. Big shout out to my boy Darwin, helped me out with that. And then like I said, we are gonna get the E-fans. That way we don't have to worry about this anymore. And it'll obviously take off the drag, because this being attached to the motor definitely creates drag. So we'll get rid of that drag this fan creates by installing the E-fans. I'll be making a video on that, the process of doing it the right way. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. We're going to be doing more things with this truck. We're going to get it up to where it needs to be, being 100%. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.